I bet you are planning something. First clue, shopping bags.
Hi kids! Are you ready to watch Krishan Kritish English show?
Hey Krishan, what did you stash away? Nothing. That snacks. Snacks? Then why are you trying to cover it up? Stop asking. Let's carry on with your games. You can't fool me, Krishan. I look into this case. Oh, please! Don't make a silly story. Silly stories. I'll catch you. First clue, shopping bags. Second clue, tape and ribbon. Third clue, you are sneaky fair. Stop trying to find out everything. I bet you are planning something. Tell me, or I'll dig through the bag. Don't you dare mess with my stuff. Then just tell me. This balloon under the bar project. You are trying to make up excuse again. If you open the bag, I ruin your birthday surprise. Birthday surprise for me? Wow! Hey Krishan, you just let the cat out of the bag. Oops! I didn't mean to give away the secret. So there is a party for me.
like, share, and subscribe.